Welcome to our Nugget ice maker comparison. Today, we are diving into a showdown between two leading contenders in the world of Nugget ice makers, the Antarctic Star and the Electactic. Both machines are designed to deliver fast and chewable ice, perfect for your drinks and gatherings. In this video, we will explore their features, including ice production capacity, design, and user-friendliness. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which Nugget ice maker is the best fit for your needs. Both the Antarctic Star and Electactic Nugget ice makers boast an impressive ice production capacity of 34 pounds per day. This means you can enjoy a steady supply of chewable nugget ice for all your entertaining needs. Whether you're hosting a party or just want to keep your drinks cold, both machines deliver on this front, ensuring you won't run out of ice anytime soon. When it comes to design, the Antarctic Star features a sleek black stainless steel finish, while the Electactic offers a modern silver aesthetic. Both machines are compact and designed to fit seamlessly on your countertop, but your choice may come down to personal preference in color. The Antarctic Star's black finish gives it a bold look, whereas the Electactic's silver finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Both the Antarctic Star and Electactic Nugget ice makers feature a one-click operation, making them incredibly user-friendly. With just a press of a button, you can start the ice-making process and enjoy fresh nugget ice in no time. Additionally, both machines come equipped with self-cleaning functions, ensuring that maintenance is a breeze. This ease of use makes them great options for anyone looking to add convenience to their ice-making needs. In conclusion, both the Antarctic Star and Electactic Nugget ice makers offer excellent features and performance for producing chewable nugget ice. They are comparable in ice production capacity and ease of use, but your choice may ultimately depend on your aesthetic preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.